Hi guys, this is Unamas again. Again, I will show you another tutorial. I don't want you guys to wait a little more, so I'm doing this fast and easy. Okay, it's already 10:43 p.m. here in the Philippines. So please forgive me if my talking will be so grudge and maybe you will not understand some of my letters in here, my language in here. Okay, I'm so tired. So the title of my tutorial is, please guys, please bear with me. I'm sorry for the grudge. Okay, my sounds, my voice, I'm a bit tired. Okay, the title of my tutorial is Unumas tutorial, how to have a super double twin domination using Y Supra Y Republica twin domination BC. Okay, take note, it's super double twin BC domination using Y Supra Y Republica style. Okay guys, let's start. I hope I will do this time, so I will not disappoint you guys, or you will not be disappointed at me. Having this tutorial is very hard. Actually, I love this tutorial. I love this kind of tutorial because it works 100%. Okay, I tested it. Every time I step in the BC, I always grab the BC. This is how strong it is, and that's how powerful it is. Twin domination BC in the Supra. Using my Supra, of course. Clicking the reset. First comes first. We must change this, some protocol in Y Supra. Okay, click on Messenger, then Preferences. Okay, first we go to voice. You must not forget and take notice of this. Okay, take notice of it very carefully. The dominance must be in the rate of 100. Okay, the wavelength boost must be in the rate of 253 wavelength boost. Dominant must be in 100. Then click apply. Then preferences. Okay, we go to servers. Then we must change the server voice servers pc.yahoo.com to a localhost. Localhost. Type in localhost. Then apply. And then again, we go now to a protocol. Now this is where the dual mode BC dominance will be applied. From YMSD, click in dual mode. Okay, from YMSD dual mode, click on apply. Okay, then we go to a chat room, which is overseas Filipino workers. I go to party. Let's join. Okay, for 37 AROW 3J. Okay, we're in. Okay, we must see this. Connected. Okay, someone stepping in the BC. Okay, it's all connected. Then watch very carefully. Click in the ghost mode. Then click in another ID which different from the ID that you used earlier. Okay, I'm using Unumas04. Okay, let's see. Unumas04, sign in as ghost. Take note, VGF 3 and 4. Go in, you see ghost mode is enabled. Okay, let me show you that. See, ghost mode is enabled. Okay, now you have 2 BC in the room. Actually guys, when you see actually guys, the ID that I go first in this room is I use uno that must right is the ID that I, I first use, okay? And the ID uno mas 04 have no BC in the room. When I step this ID in a talk, okay, the ID that they will see that have BC is not uno mas, it will be uno mas 04, okay, because it has a twin domination. Now let's go to a BC monster. The protocol we must use this. Click on the max, click on scroll, and the wavelength boost must be from the middle to we must do from the middle to 220, from 98 to 220, okay, from 98 to 220. Look very carefully, okay? Someone stepping in the BC. Look, okay. I will step in. See, 15 out of 15. Okay, I will go back. That's how powerful it is, okay? That's how powerful it is. Every time I step in the BC, I always grab the BC. From scale of 100%, I do grab the BC 90%. Okay, 90% I do grab the BC. Okay. Again, I'll step in. For you to see, guys. 14 out of 15. I'll step back. See? This is how powerful it is, okay, guys? So, this is Uno Mas signing out. Please take note of what I've done, okay? You may post your screen in the YouTube for you to cope up with me, okay? To cope up to what I've done in here. So many people wants to have a strong BC dominations in a chat room. So I'm giving this you guys for free. Okay? Anyone who watch this, test it, and you will be 100% satisfied with my work. Okay guys, this is Uno Mas signing out in YouTube. I love you guys. Okay, just another one. See? 12 14. See? Bye YouTube. Bye guys. Love you.